Welcome back again to my channel. Another day, another video. By the time that you read the title of this video, you probably know what is going to happen. And to make it happen, we will be needing the special participation of these two. I divided these snacks, these Filipino snacks, into two. One is my least favorite, and the other category is my most or my very favorite childhood Filipino snacks. I have to rate each one of them from 1 to 10. 10 is the muy delicioso, the maximum level. And 1 is of course the not so delicioso. Okay. So we will start with my least favorite snacks. Okay, eto muna tayo. Oishi cracklings.
Salt and vinegar.
Salt, vinegar, whatever, babe. I don't want to explain because I don't even know it.
Not bad.
Not bad?
It's okay.
So, is it in the middle? Not so good? Is it good or?
5.
5? You rate it? Okay.
5.
So you want to rate it?
5.5.
Okay. So, nasa gitna siya. Okay, next. This one, okay. Second is cheese ring. And medyo ano ko rin to. Medyo paborito ko to ng bata ko. Depende sa mood ko. Minsan gusto ko siya, minsan hindi. Depende pag sobrang ma-cheese. Kasi diba may iba na parang, parang kulang sa cheese. Tinipid.
Give me.
Okay.
Give me one. I don't like it.
No?
No. Tastes like plastic.
Rate it. Tastes like plastic? Rate it. Then 4. Oh! Hindi na gusto your hand. Okay, let's move on. Next is this Moby caramel puff. It is popcorn flavored caramel. Ano ba? Smell it. Smell like what?
Not very good.
No? Tapos ang standard nito.
It's not popcorn.
What is it then?
Something that looks like a popcorn, but it's not a popcorn.
Rate it. 1 to 10.
6.
6 yung pinakamataas ng score ngayon.
I will never buy it.
Okay.
I will never.
So, sobrang mataas yung standard niya para maka-10.
I never eat this kind of snack.
So, it's just that you don't eat this kind of snacks, but it doesn't mean that it tastes really bad.
It doesn't taste bad, but the texture feels really active. No, it's because it tastes like I'm eating something that is not food.
Let's move on to Mr. Chips. Smell it first. I don't really like the smell.
I like the taste.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow, surprisingly.
The best one.
Really? Then rate it.
6.5.
6.5, babe. You rate movie with 6.
Yes, it's 6.5.
And then? 6.5. Okay. I was thinking 5.5. Okay, sorry.
What's wrong with your mind?
Let's keep on moving, guys. Next is Chippy. Same, it's from Jack and Jill. This one, babe, is corn chips flavored barbecue. Smell it first. Nah? I like the smell. When I was younger, I don't really like eating this snack. It's not my cup of tea. Wow. One more.
Same as Mr. Chips.
Really?
Yeah.
6.5?
Maybe 6.25. Little bit. 6.5.
It's only 6 or 6.5?
Who gives
Okay,
the
sorry.
score? Me or you?
Okay. For Mr. Chips, 6.25 daw.
Runner up.
Ako sa'yo. Whatever. As for my least favorite snacks is Boy Bawang. This Boy Bawang is the most, I think, popular snack in the Philippines. My sister loves it, but me, not so.
You know, in almost 4 years in the Philippines, I have never tried any of this.
I know!
Babe.
It's vinegar, babe. No, sorry, it's garlic flavor. Not that bad.
Smell like garlic powder.
Go.
Oh, Lulu, give me, I cannot.
Lulu, do you want to try it?
No.
What?
No, too much.
Okay. Arte naman.
This is like, we call it kikos.
What is kikos? Is it made from corn?
Yeah, corn like this.
You don't like the smell, but you like the taste of it.
I don't like the smell, but I like. It reminds me of a snack that I used to eat.
When you were younger?
Yeah.
Okay then, rate it. 1 to 10.
6.75.
So, tapos tayo dun sa hindi ko masyadong paboritong snacks. And dun sa mga hindi ko paboritong snacks,
Okay.
ito ang nagwagi.
To clarify to you, for me, and high score like 8 for snacks. 8.5, 9, 9.5 is a very high quality potato chips.
Okay.
Okay.
Gumana na yung pagka-chef niya. Let's move on to my favorite snacks.
Okay.
Ito, this, I'm excited! Mag-start tayo dito sa Nagaraya.
Why is it
As you
open?
guys can see, open na siya. Kasi nagkikrave na ako talagang kainin siya noong isang araw pa. Kaya lang wala kaming time i-film pa to. Eh sabi ko sa kanya, kukuha ko ng ilan para makakain na ako. Smell it. It's nuts. Try one.
I like.
You like it?
Oh. This is good.
I really like it. It's very addictive. Nagaraya.
7.5.
You're so alive. So far, so good, babe.
Yeah, best of your favorites, I like.
It's a good start then.
Next.
Okay. This is Vcut. I wanted to buy the original flavor, pero it was not available. First bite.
Nah.
Na?
Yeah. It's off.
I like the original flavor, but I don't have it.
It's not crispy enough. I don't like it.
Rate it.
4.5. Very bad.
4.5 for Vcut. Cheesy. Do you have any favorite snacks, babe? Can you still remember some of them? No.
Potato chips.
Only potato chips?
And this one that you gave me, I say I like, but we call it kikos.
Ito daw yung parang yung favorite niya na similar sa Boy Bawang. There.
Yeah. It's just bigger.
Yeah, it's bigger, but the
And
taste
taste-
is the same.
Tastes similar. Yeah.
Stop talking and try this. Go get it. Get one. Why?
It's okay.
Tastes good.
Yeah. 6.5.
Garaya again is like 6. No, it's 7.5.
I think it's 7, no? 7.5.
Yung top 1 pa rin natin is Nagaraya.
Top is this one and the boy
Bawang.
Bawang.
Okay. Piattos. Again, wala sila yung paborito kong flavor, yung sour and cream. Ito lang yung ano nila, available nila.
Did
Which
you
is yung
realize
original.
that all your
Again, babe, this is made from potato. Try it na.
No.
Why?
It's tasteless.
What do you mean it tastes like? It tastes like cheese. Ah, okay, sorry.
So what?
Oh,
This one is tastier. This one is
of course,
tasteless.
this one is cheesier than this one.
Yes.
The rate is,
Uh,
for Piattos, is
5.5. 5.5.
5. Oh, baba naman na ito magbigay ng score.
would-
Last, para sa savory snacks, is Nova. Again, babe, this is made from...
From cheese.
No. It's made from corn. Yes. This is my favorite, like.
This is your favorite?
Yes. I missed it. It's pretty good. No? My God, dude!
It's okay. 6.
6. But this one, yes, I can understand that this is the top one because I really do like this one.
Yeah, this one I like. This is the one kind of snack that I can do like pika 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 all the time.
Garaya, masarap ka daw. So, we only have 2 items left. First is honey. Ito is yung lagi kong binibili sa tindahan. Lagi akong kumukupit sa wallet ng nanay ko para makabili lang nito. At ito pa yung yung classic na packaging ng honey. Looks like what? Like, na-miss ko to. Parang nagbalik yung kabataan ko. Old school packaging. Let's open it. Eat it all. Gusto ko yung gantong honey. I mean, gusto ko yung ganto ka-dry. Dati most of the time nabibili ko yung basa-basa. So, hindi ko alam kung bakit. How's the taste? Tastes like peanut.
Peanut chocolate ba? I like it.
This one is really good.
8.
8? Wow!
This is the best so far.
It is the highest score so far. I'm gonna stop eating one more. Last is flat tops. This one is okay. Not living for it. Iba yung packaging niya. It used to be like easier to open.
Too heavy.
I mean too heavy. Why is it too heavy?
I mean, too thick. Not. No, I can eat one. The chocolate doesn't taste like good quality chocolate.
Of course.
Tastes like compound chocolate. You know, this mix of chuba chuba.
I don't really like it that much.
No, this is
This is my ate's favorite though.
yeah, no, this one is better.
Rate it, babe. Please.
This one 6.5. It's not that bad, but no. So it doesn't taste like real chocolate. I don't like it.
No?
6.5.
6.5.
Yeah.
Okay.
If I'm desperate for
Desperate
sweets,
talaga, yeah.
I will eat it. Desperate.
If you don't have any choice. Okay then. For the savory snacks, babe, the top one
One
are
is
Boy Bawang
this two.
and Nagaraya.
Yeah.
Yay! Kayong dalawang nagwagi. For the sweet one, babe,
Haya? Honey?
honey.
Honey. This is the
Top one is
this is
honey. Well, dalawa lang naman yung choices niya.
I will finish this packet.
No.
The rest, probably I will not eat.
Eat.
Never again.
So, lahat na na-open ko na, yung ate ko uubos na ito. Kasi nung isang araw niya pa talagang sinasabi na open na namin, gawin na namin to eh. So guys, ayan na yung video natin. Did you enjoy, babe?
Yes.
How's the experience?
Really good. Thank you so much for introducing me to the amazing
The amazing world of Filipino snacks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't wala talaga. Please don't forget to give this a big thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed yet, before you leave, mag-subscribe ka na. And we hope to see you in our next one.